In this video, I will demonstrate the suspended bind-off. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notice each time I go live or post a new video. The suspended bind-off is a variation on the basic bind-off that can help make it a little more elastic or less tight. You begin this bind-off exactly like a basic bind-off. You will work the first 2 stitches. The variation happens when we bind off, when we actually bind off our stitches. So I grab that first stitch and lift it over the second stitch, but I do not drop it from my left hand needle. I leave that loop right there. I then use my right needle and just reach around that to knit the next stitch on that needle and pull up, and now is when I drop all of those. And then I bind off one, so I grab that first loop, pull it over like so, but do not drop it from this needle. What this does is it prevents you from tightening your yarn as you are binding off, so that this loop cannot get too tight. So I pull that stitch over, but leave it there. So if you find you bind off tightly, give this a try. It might loosen things up just enough for you. So that loop stays there. I reach around it to knit the next stitch, drop everything, grab that stitch, bind it off, but leave it there. Like so. That's all there is to it. Let me finish across this row and I'll show you what that looks like. And then the last stitch. And then I will cut my tail, pull up the loop, and thread the tail through. Like so. So you can see this bind off is plenty loose. It is not pulling in at all corners. If anything, it is too loose for the stockinette fabric below. But it's a great option when you need some extra looseness in your bind off, or if you find you bind off just a little too tight. So that was the suspended bind off. Have you used this bind off before? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.